Lexus IS300. I don't got a camera, so I'm recording on the iPhone. Ain't that funny? But I wasn't planning on recording today, but we headed over there, so I thought I'd just pick up the camera and record this. He has a pretty dope ass Lexus. Y'all gonna fuck with it, trust me. Alright, we just pulled up to the spot, meeting on my boy. I see him over there.
Pop bottles.
Doing 340 turns, you already know. Big static. Shit is so fucking loud. But I saw a banner on the homie Sonny's whip. It's funny, I already bought a camera for YouTube, but I forgot. I was like already driving. I forgot it, but it's all good. We're gonna continue on an iPhone. Shit's fire. These are GMRs, right? GMRs? Shit's gas. Bannered up, sheesh. Shit's gas. About to go flick up over there. Good ass spot. Like, come on. How could you not fuck with that shit? Shit's fire. We got the homie Sonny's whip right here. Clean ass Lexus. Oh, this shit is gas. It's a Lexus type of day. That's what we're gonna title this video. Lexus type of day. I'm finna. Bro, this is so fire. Leave in the comments y'all want to review on this car. It's just so fucking gas. I'm about to give y'all a little bit of cinematics.
What's that?
But yeah, hope y'all enjoy those cinematics of the homie Sonny's whip. About to head back to the crib. Shout out to my boy for supporting the brand. Make sure I'll go tap in right here. Boom. Clean ass whip. But yeah, no Civic staying over there. Big static guy. I don't know about y'all, but shit. Static whip's the best whips. Hell yeah, shout out my boy though. That's what type of people you gotta hang out with. You know, support you. And bro, that fool's good people's. Where I met him, it's funny. I didn't even meet him off the car shit, and I met my boy at my old job. Super dope people. Make sure I go follow him. And shit, we're gonna continue right now. About to make some more runs for the brand, you know. Just trying to grow. Met up with the homie. Finna put his ad right here. Shit is clean. Hat look clean. On bags. Yeah, he about to put one of the side banners on. It's just fire. Hell yeah. Now we outside though. Good people. Got that freshie on. Sheesh. Just active today. I'm running around everywhere, you know. It's just clean.
Throw a shot and watch everyone scatter. Pull through 10 shots after. Flip first, you don't pay for the ladders. Got a stick and they still like a ladder.
Shout out my boy though once again. Y'all wanna cop anything off the brand, bro, go tap in. Shit, I appreciate it so much. Just watching, cause y'all don't gotta watch me. Y'all don't gotta subscribe, but y'all are, so hopefully by the time this video's up, 1,000 subs, bro. This thing came on these wheels, but honestly, I'm not really fucking with them, but I'm gonna wash the car regardless with them on, and then we'll see how it goes. But we probably gonna end up putting the stocks back on. I also got the stocks, so I might throw the stocks back on and sell these, or I might paint these. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. They're not bad. Like, the style wheel is not bad, and I think I have some 15 mil spacers I can throw on all the way around, and then we need to lower this thing ASAP too. So I do got a front lip as well that I need to throw on too, and a rear lip, but this car's not gonna stay this color. So any wrap companies want to sponsor your boy, send me a roll, let me know, I'm down. But yeah, let's get to washing this thing. so we in the middle of watching IS. I just remembered this company Astro AI just sent this out to me. You might be asking yourself, what is it? So let's go ahead and see. It's a portable jump starter and air compressor. And I know y'all stance boys always be low on air, so this is like perfect. All right, so right off the bat, you get a thank you. Thank y'all for subscribing. I think that's what they meant. Some instructions. We don't need those around here. Look at this bag, you know. I'm gonna definitely keep this in my trunk in the Civic, cause, bruh, you ever have a dead battery and you ain't got nobody to jumpstart you? So this is perfect for that. Oh yeah, this is fire. All right, so we got it. Boom, we got to 40. Super quick. Oh wait, that shit lost a bar of battery. Hold on, pause. All right, let me check all the other ones and I'll let y'all know. Look, honestly, super clutch to have. I always wanted one of these. So shout out to Astro AI for sending this out to your boy. So you know, let's continue watching the motherfucking IS300. All right, shit, what's good, guys? We back. We finally back with some parts for this fucking car. Got new tire rods, new lower arms, wheel studs, cause on the driver's side they're stripped. As you can see, these motherfuckers is cooked right here. So I've been waiting. This car has just been sitting here collecting dust. I can't tell you last time I washed it, it's still ugly, but it's just literally just been here, just sitting for a good minute now, and we finally got all the parts we needed just to get this thing aligned, you know, good. I wanted to drive, you know, good, not have any issues. So yeah, parts finally came in, so we about to get started. Enough of that talking. We need to get this car out of the garage to pull in the Civic. So let's just get into it, bro. We not doing all that. This is not a tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all off on we're gonna get this motherfucker out, and we about to lower this shit too, because as y'all can see, let me show y'all right quick. Let me see. I got the light posted up right here. Boom. Look, it's got spider webs in there. It's on 10 coilovers. We got that much to go down. I say we drop it like half. Actually, I kind of want to go all the way down. I say we just go all the way down. Fuck it. I think I'm gonna just max them out and see how we sit, because right now it's sitting pretty high. So let's get it. Let's get it done. Enough for that talking. Let's do it. All right. So let's get this started. Boom. Let's start. I'm gonna just start dismantling everything under here. Got my little light set up, bro. This thing has not been touched. Look at cobwebs and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect. Remove. You know, caliper. You know, let it hang somewhere. Then you know, drop this. Drop the arm, and then get the tie rods off. And then I'm gonna just do one side at a time. So I'm gonna do tie rod, lower control on this side. Then I'll go to the other side. So hopefully it's not too difficult. But shit, let's get this done already. It shouldn't be too difficult. Seems like one bolt right there with the arm. There's here on the coilover. I don't think I gotta disconnect this sway bar. I think just the bottom link that connects the control arm. And then tie rod shouldn't be too difficult. But let's just get it done already. I'm over this shit. I'll get back to y'all once this shit in the process, and then once it's done. Alright, I'm about to update y'all real quick. So we got everything basically taken off. Let me see the light. Bro, this tie rod is clapped. Check that shit out. That shit is trash. You see that shit? No boot, nothing. Yeah, it's cooked. So glad we're replacing that. Control arm, I need to take off the tie rod first to take out the control arm, because that bolt is longer. But yeah, I think we might lower this thing too. So let's get this side done, then go to the other side. Just want to show y'all real quick. This time I actually take off this whole thing, rotor and caliper bracket and all, because I need to replace those two studs. So good thing I just added this light right here, because that helps a lot, because it's pretty dark in here. But let's get it though. Let's get it done. All right, so there we go. We finished up this side at least for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Lower arm is in. Tie rod is also in. No more play. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and finish. Alright, what's good, guys? We back again. It's the next day. So let's get to it. Alright, so this side, studs, two studs, lower control arm, tie rod. Let's get it done already. get it out of here. So just like that, we got this tie rod off, lower arm, and then put back together. Replace the studs already. I only got 3, but I'm gonna just replace these 2, might as well. So I'm gonna head back to the AutoZone real quick to get that. But yeah, we almost done with this, and then we just want to adjust the height, the rear, and then this lip kit. It had been previously painted. They did not prep it at all, and there's a bunch of holes. I don't know why they mounted like that, but I got a plastic welder, so I'm gonna just fill in those holes, take off this paint, so it'll just be black for now, just to go ahead and slap this on. But regardless, I'm getting a new bumper anyways, because as y'all had seen previously, this shit gotta go right here. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the before. These wheel wells are not it. I guess the car used to be white, but, or I don't know what. I don't think I've ever seen white wheel wells, unless I'm tripping. But yeah, this side is almost halfway done. On this side, I finished, and then I went ahead and just sprayed the wheel wells black. I don't know if y'all can see that too well, but let me see. Yeah, I painted the wheel wells black really quick. Not the best job, but it looks better. Especially like if you can see like this corner area right here when like you're driving. Like when you're parked. I know you can see this because on the RSX it was the same way. So just sprayed them real quick, covered everything, coil over everything. Everything looks clean, way better than before. Shit, it's the little shit that matters. It's the little shit that matters. We've been done, but it ain't an install if something don't go wrong. Let's just say, as I was replacing one of the studs, as I was putting one in, couldn't get the freaking nut out that I was using to get it in, so I just chopped that shit off. Let me see if this shit will focus. Probably not, but chopped it off. Right now, we're just going over the white with some black paint. You see I did this side already. Now this is how it looks. I don't really like it, so you won't be able to tell, but I will, so might as well just clean it up under here. And then this freaking bumper thing came off already, so we're just gonna rip it off. But other than that, we're just gonna spray that. So before, let y'all see, and then that should be after. But it just looks a lot cleaner. So let's get it done. I'm super over this, super annoying. It was going too smooth. Everything was going too smooth. Everything was going perfectly fine. Something had to go wrong, but it's whatever. It is what it is. It always happens, so you know. Alright, so this is where we left off. This is how it sits. I went ahead and lowered all 4 corners. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but I can definitely tell. Went max in the rear, and then I got about 1 inch more in the front, but I think it's sitting pretty good. As y'all can see, I need an alignment. I need to adjust this toe ASAP, but I don't plan on driving it anytime soon until then. But got the front lip mocked up. We need to replace that front bumper. And then got the rear lip mocked up. I might do this little carbon wrap on the roof. If we'll see, I probably will, but this car's not gonna stay this color. But yeah, this is where we left off. I just need to upload a video for y'all, so this is gonna be the end of the video.